Today we have a simple but handy recipe for you. We show you how to make simple syrup ready to sweeten your hot or cold coffee, teas, and cocktails. The basic recipe is part sugar and part water, but you can easily flavor it based on how you plan to use it. So today I'm making a mint citrus simple syrup. Consider substituting the mint for other herbs or spices and the citrus for something more warming like a vanilla bean, or leave them out completely. I use a lot of mint and citrus peel when I make this. A generous handful of each does the trick. To make the syrup, add 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar to a saucepan over medium-high heat. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook while stirring until the sugar has completely dissolved. At this point, you can turn the heat off and stir in any flavorings like our mint and citrus peel. Leave the syrup to cool and steep. Then strain and use in your favorite beverages. As always, the recipe with lots of tips is on Inspired Taste. And the great thing about this easy recipe is that homemade simple syrup will last in the refrigerator for about 1 month. Here I've got a pitcher of green tea that's perfect with our citrus mint syrup. And that's it. How to make our simple syrup at home. Check Inspired Taste for more suggestions and tips. Enjoy, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.